Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the system language on your Mac. Right now, as you can see, my system language is set to English, but let's say you move to a different region, or simply want to use another language like French, German, or any of the other languages supported by Mac OS. Here's how you can do it. First, you'll need to open System Settings. You can do this by clicking on the System Settings icon in the dock, which looks like a gear. Alternatively, you can click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and select System Settings from the drop-down menu. For this tutorial, I'll click on the System Settings icon in the dock. Once System Settings is open, scroll down and click on General in the sidebar. In the General section, you'll find an option called Language and Region. Click on it, and you'll see your current preferred languages, region, and other related settings. If your desired language isn't listed under Preferred Languages, you can add it by clicking on the plus button below the list. This will open a menu where you can select your desired language. For example, I'll choose French and then click Add. After adding the language, macOS will ask whether you want to set it as the primary language. If you want the new language to be your system's main language, click on Use French. If you prefer to keep your current language as the primary one, click on Use English, or whatever your current primary language is. Now, let's talk about changing the primary language. If you ever want to make another language your primary one, simply drag it to the top of the Preferred Languages list. When you do this, Mac OS will prompt you to restart your Mac to apply the change fully. Restarting ensures that all applications use the new language. If you choose not to restart immediately, some applications like System Settings will update to the new language right away, but others may still use the old language until the restart. For instance, if I set French as my primary language and reopen System Settings, I'll see that the interface has already changed to French. However, some other apps may still display text in English until the Mac is restarted. If you ever feel unsure about how to navigate back to the language and region settings after changing the language, look for the icon with a blue globe. This makes it easy to recognize the section regardless of the current language. And that's it. You now know how to change the system language on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.